This is crazy, this is crazy, this is crazy. Truck accidents typically result in devastation for the family and the individuals involved in those types of accidents, and often not just for the truckers, but usually for the people that are affected by the truck accident. A truck accident is a unique type of an accident. It's different from a typical car accident case where two cars strike each other, and many attorneys are perfectly capable of handling a two-vehicle accident case. It takes a specific type of lawyer with specific type of experience to be able to handle a trucking accident case. There has to be an understanding of the physics and the science behind the truck accident type cases. Because of the nature of these accidents, because of the size and the mass and the speed that these trucks can travel, it's important to have at the access of a law firm that represents a plaintiff the ability to hire an accident reconstructionist that can do the mathematical formulas and do the mathematical computations to be able to show how fast a truck was traveling, how far the skid marks were, what type of a vehicle it was, the type of brakes, the type of tires. There's so many factors that are involved in a truck accident case. It's not simply enough to simply consider it like any other motor vehicle accident. The reason that this is important is because truck companies have so much access to their own reconstructionists and their own legal teams. It's important to become involved in these cases quickly so that the evidence isn't lost, so the evidence isn't hidden. There are many types of information that can be gained by accessing the truck's records, their weight records, their actual GPS records in the truck. They can ascertain the speed that the truck was traveling and the way in which it was maneuvering ahead. It's also important to be able to ascertain what the witnesses were going to say. Many times when you're dealing with highway travel on 95 or 66, we lose track of the witnesses, and if you hire an attorney as quickly as possible, those types of witnesses can be found, their statements can be taken, and they can be used in the prosecution of these types of cases. These types of cases oftentimes aren't the types of cases that simply settle. They don't simply go away because the trucking companies have the foundation and the backing to be able to push these cases. It's important to have an attorney that's not only willing to take the case, but is willing to push the case through and try the case in front of a jury if necessary. Portner and Shure has tried a number of truck accident cases, not just settled them, but tried them. And the reason that that's important is you have to have an attorney that's willing to go up against the trucking companies in court, head to head, not willing to back down, and to have the resources to fight the trucking companies to make sure that the evidence is heard by the jury. It's only then that the plaintiffs and the people that have been injured as a result of these traumatic accidents can gain some semblance, some recovery, something that can hope to make them whole after what usually and can be a devastating loss. This is crazy, this is crazy, this is crazy.